Hey guys, let's get started with lesson 122. We're just going to review really fast all the properties of logarithms. So if we have the log, we've got our base here, and we have a number or a variable. We can also write the same idea like this. Alright, so if we're adding two logarithms with the same base, that means we multiply the numbers. And if the numbers are multiplied, we can also split them up by showing them as added. Now, if the numbers are being divided, then that means the logs are being subtracted. Alright, so if we have the base, we have an exponent equal to number. You can also write that as the log of the base, the number equals the exponent. And finally, if we have a log with an exponent on our number, we can also write it as this. All right. The other topic of this lesson is the interaction or intersection of sets. All right, so we're going to write out two different sets here. We've got set A. All right, and we have set B. All right, so sets are basically just different groups of information. In this case, we have numbers. All right, so the intersection of these two sets would be the numbers that they have in common. Oh my gosh, I can't make brackets today. Which are 1 and 3. And we write this as the intersection of A and B, and we use this symbol. Intersection of A and B is 1 and 3. Now the union of A and B is going to be upside down with a symbol that looks kind of like a U, and it's just going to be, oh my gosh, all the numbers in both sets with no repeating digits. All right, so this is an intersection, and this is a union. All right. We are also going to look at these intersections of sets with Venn diagrams. All right, so I'm sure you guys have seen stuff like this before. All right, so we're going to look at the union of A and B, the union of B and C, and the intersection of B and C. All right, so let's do this. Let's say this is going to be red. The union of A and B is going to be all of this, all of A plus all of B. All right, the union of B and C is going to be all of B and all of C. All right, now the intersection of B and C is going to be just the values that are in both B and C. So it's going to be just this section right here. All right. I hope that makes sense with my colors, and it's not too messy. So that is all for lesson 122.